everyone, and welcome back to a super quick video making some high impact cards using very minimal supplies. I'm only going to be using this wordcut die from Catherine Pooler. It says Dream Big, and it's not just the word die, it also has a nice like shadow cutout. I'm also going to be using the Santa Fe sequin mix, which is all, both these items are from the newest release. So apart from paper and coloring mediums, which is Copic markers, I'm only going to be using one other little die just to create a little bit of texture to my backgrounds. But that is pretty much it. So as you can see here, I am just creating a bit of a colorful background to just, add a lot of pop of colors to my card base. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm completely obsessed with rainbows, and also this is a super easy way and quick way to add lots of colors with minimal fuss. Plus you always get the colors that you want. How easy breezy is that? So as you can see, I have already cut out my panel. I've trimmed it down using a Avery Elle die cut that has like a nice sort of wonky stitching around the edges. And I cut one out of white as well. On this super simple white card, I just did everything white apart from the Dream Big cutout, which is the positive, I think, cutout from the rainbow panel. Then I'm simply adding some sequins with a little bit of liquid glue. And, that's pretty much it. How quick and easy was that? I mean, cards like this really do not take long at all. And as I said before, you can just switch out the colors, use, your color of choice, or, like me, go rainbow, because why not? And yeah, I mean, I really cannot add too much jibber jabbering because the video is almost done. So I will, sorry, I will swallow the frog and get back to it. I will link all the products I've used down below in the descriptions, but it's only the two really from Catherine Pooler and the Avery Elle die that can be found in most big craft stores. So thank you so much for stopping by today, and I hope I didn't give you a whiplash with this tiny little video. I hope you stop by soon again because there will be more coming. And if you enjoyed this video, please do consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my little channel. Thanks again for stopping by, and I hope you found some inspiration.